problem facing metalworking industries is attaching components with thin-walled metal workpieces in a fast, simple and sustainable way. The use of external components is expensive, complicated, time-consuming and not ecological. Meet Formdrill, the innovative technology suitable for steel, stainless steel, copper, aluminium and brass. With the use of a Formdrill tool, a strong threaded connection can be formed. By pushing the solid carbide drill against the workpiece with high RPMs, frictional heat is generated. This plasticizes the material and makes it formable. The Formdrill pushes the material downwards and forms a bushing with a collar at the top. The collar can be removed in the same operation with a flat Formdrill if necessary. A thread can then be formed inside the bushing. Formdrill provides a high-quality, strong and durable connection that does not come loose. Formdrill is fast, cost-effective and can be used in standard machine shop equipment, which results in significant overall savings. There is no waste, which is good for the environment. For more information, visit www.formdrill.com.